Hello and welcome to this episode of Walking London. Today we are going to be exploring Greenwich. I've just got fans. Shut. This church is St. Alfred and we've got a dog coming, don't freak out. In fact, when she was repurposed from a T-clipper into a wool, for the wool run. Well, it's for two main reasons. The two main reasons? When Henry's daughter Mary was on the throne and staying here at Greenwich, a captain? You're like, I don't know the script. Greenwich Rail Station has the distinction of being one of the world's first railway stations? Oldest. Recording. No, I'll do it from there. It was Christopher Wren who... Was that getting louder? Yes. Shut up! But it did in fact destroy the... However, at that time, it unfortunately... It's a dog. The staircase is famous for two reasons. Firstly, just how beautiful it is. And secondly, for its Canadian apparitions. Those blasted Canadians appearing out of nowhere. They had a night of feasting, at which doesn't make any sense. Doesn't make any sense. It was first properly settled by Saxons in the 6th century. But if you look a little closely, you might see something unusual. Don't you do that. Right. That was... What's that all about? But the interesting thing is that there was such ivy that had grown up around it. I've got hair in my mouth. Protecting future Elena. What am I saying? Who turned Greenwich Palace into a hospital for seamen. Oh, I can't say seamen because it's so horrible. Mariners. Sailors. Yeah. Seamen. But no, I'm going to say mariners or something. It's so windy. The staircase is famous for two reasons. Firstly, just how beautiful it is. And secondly, because of its loud tourists who walk by. In the Second World War, a V1 bomb almost destroyed this area, and James himself, who's not here. Sorry. Focus, we gotta do this. New methods of navigation and timekeeping. The second, this is a hill. Sorry about, you can't do that, you can't laugh. Okay, now you know where I'm going with this, don't laugh. But it's on a succession of other St. Alfred's churches which have been on this site since the early, what century? I don't know.
And then there's Elena. Hi Elena, how are you?
So first let's head down Greenwich High Road. And I guess I'll see you in my next video. Bye-bye.